Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Speechify subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've highlighted a few different ways to cancel your subscription. So the first way is to go to the official website of Speechify and make sure to log in. And then from there, click on your profile icon or name in the top right or left hand corner. Then select account settings or subscriptions. Manage subscriptions. So from here, look for subscriptions or billing section in your account settings, and then find the option to cancel your subscriptions and follow the prompts. You might need to confirm the cancellation and provide a reason. The second method is via the mobile app. So open the Speechify app on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Tap on the profile or menu, usually in the bottom right or top left hand corner, and then navigate to subscriptions or account settings. Find the option to cancel your subscription and follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, if you got a app or iOS, go to iTunes. So open up settings on your iOS device. So go to the settings app, then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, select subscriptions. Find and select the Speechify subscription from the list. Tap cancel subscriptions and confirm the cancellations. And if you're on an Android device like myself, you can do this by going to your Play Store and then click on your profile, top right hand corner, and then click onto payments and subscriptions. Click on subscriptions. And now here's where all your subscriptions are kept. So if you see Speechify here, click into it and then click on cancel. And if all else fails, you can always contact Speechify directly. So you can email them at support@speechify.com with your request to cancel your subscription. Also include your account details for quicker processing. And another thing you can do is go to the help center at speechify.com/support for additional support options. And on a side note, make sure to cancel before your next billing cycle to avoid being charged for the next period. And check Speechify's cancellation policy for any details on any potential fees or notice periods required for cancellation.